Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to enable Vibrate for X notices on the X app. If you've been missing important updates or just want an extra buzz along with your alerts, this step-by-step process will make sure you never overlook them again. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where we'll manage all the tweaks we need. You'll be spending just a few moments here. And once it's done, your notifications will be set exactly the way you want them. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you'll find a full list of the apps installed on your device. We're looking for one specific app in this list, the X app. Once you spot it, tap on it. This opens up the detailed settings menu for the app itself. Inside the X app settings, you'll see a menu option called Notifications. This is the hub where you can fine-tune how alerts behave. Tap on Notifications, and then look for notification categories. Each category represents different types of alerts the app can send, so this is where you'll choose which ones you want emphasized. Now scroll through the categories until you find X Notices. This is the exact category we're focusing on. Tap on it, and you'll see several options related to how these notices appear on your device. Here comes the important part. Look for the toggle option for Vibrate. Go ahead and switch it on. When activated, your phone will deliver a vibration each time you receive an X notice, ensuring that you feel the alert, even if you don't hear it or see the screen light up. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Vibrate for X notices on the X app. From now on, staying on top of updates will feel effortless. No more missed alerts, and no more second-guessing whether you received a notification. If this guide helped you out, take a moment to set up other apps the same way and customize them until they fit your preferences perfectly. Thanks for following along.